Well, guys, today I'm gonna rank every single ice cream drink. Yeah. And first, we're gonna start with the ones I haven't had. I don't have before. Firehouse. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. I might have, but I don't know. Jack in the Box. I think once before. I think that's really the Christmas. I've had way more, but these are the only ones that I've had. Alright, so Trish's chicken is pretty good. It's not the best. Pizza Hut, I mean, Pizza Hut in my area, they don't like, they only like give, they only give they just give like they just give the bottles that you find at like stores and stuff, like not like the cans, the bottles. So they're not like special nothing. So kind of going that I guess. It's 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven's not a fast food place. Fast casual, I guess. But I think so. The 7-Eleven has those little machines. And let me tell you, places like that, the Circle K too. They're just all the same. I guess I'll go in for like top tier in my opinion. I'm actually typing Golden Chick right now. Basically, Golden Chick is the same like corner store type drinks. KFC, that's good. Domino's Pizza, they do the same thing as Pizza Hut, so they just go next to Pizza Hut. Sonic, I mean, they're good. They're not decent. I haven't had that guys. I was gonna have Jack in the Box, but Golden Chick, so. Burger King, well, decent. Chick-fil-A had a glow up. Fazoli's, I only had Fazoli's like 3 times, so they're good drinks. Little Caesars does the same thing as Domino's and Pizza Hut. Dairy Queen.
Hey, you didn't download Tetris on my laptop?
No.
Why not?
I have Tetris on here.
So I can beat your high score.
Download it, Mama.
Oh, I'm gonna have to do that in a bit. Marker's Pizza, they're decent. I mean, these places I don't go in. So, Sonic, Taco Bell. I only had Taco Bell like I only had a drink from Taco Bell once. I kind of spilt it everywhere when I was like 7, I think. I don't really remember it, so I just started and never had. Popeyes. I only had Popeyes once. I didn't get anything, but my brother did. You know, I just got a drink. They're good. Papa John's Pizza. They're kind of, I don't know. They do the same thing as they have like those plastic bottles, but not like these places. So, and they're like super flimsy. So I'll go to them in like decent. McDonald's, ugh. So for a minute, for like a big hot minute, McDonald's was like the best drink place. But now it just tastes like cough medicine. Like in this month. Wendy's, only had Wendy's a fair few times. Up there. Subway, I love Subway pizza. There's something about it. I guess Subway. That's it. Yeah, there's only 2 greats. There's 7 goods, 3 decents, 1 bad, and there's like a million never hads. So yeah, there's my little. That's my tier list. Let me just show you all the places